What if I told you that one of the most powerful tools for improving your health isn't locked inside a hospital, hidden in an expensive supplement, or waiting for a miracle breakthrough? What if it's already sitting on your kitchen counter, inside your refrigerator, or growing in your backyard? Every single day, millions of people search for the next health secret. They spend countless dollars chasing miracle pills, trendy diets, and promises of instant transformation. Yet the greatest secret has been quietly waiting for us all along. It's found in the colorful fruits we often ignore, the vegetables we promise ourselves we'll eat tomorrow, the herbs we sprinkle on our meals without a second thought, and the simple foods that generations before us considered everyday nourishment. The truth is both simple and remarkable. Your body is not just surviving every day, it is constantly repairing itself. Every second, billions of cells are working together to replace damaged tissue, fight harmful invaders, balance hormones, produce energy, and protect your organs. While this incredible process happens automatically, the food you eat can either support these natural systems or make their job much harder. Imagine your body as a busy city. Every road, bridge, power station, and emergency service must work together to keep life moving smoothly. Now imagine that every meal you eat sends supplies into that city. Some meals deliver quality building materials, clean energy, and skilled workers. Others deliver little more than empty boxes. Over weeks, months, and years, those daily deliveries shape the strength and resilience of the entire city. That is the hidden power of food. Consider a simple breakfast. One person starts the day with sugary pastries and a sweet drink. Another chooses oatmeal topped with berries, walnuts, and fresh fruit. Both feel full for a while, but inside their bodies, very different stories begin to unfold. The second meal provides fiber that supports digestive health, antioxidants that help protect cells from damage, healthy fats that nourish the brain, and nutrients that provide steady energy. It's not magic. It's biology working exactly as it was designed. Science has shown that colorful fruits and vegetables contain thousands of natural compounds beyond vitamins and minerals. These plant compounds help the body manage oxidative stress, support healthy inflammation responses, and contribute to overall wellness. Rather than acting like a single medicine targeting one problem, whole foods often provide a combination of nutrients that work together in ways researchers are still discovering. Take blueberries as an example. Their deep blue color comes from natural pigments rich in antioxidants. These compounds help protect cells from everyday wear and tear caused by normal metabolism and environmental factors. Similarly, tomatoes contain lycopene, carrots provide beta-carotene, leafy greens supply folate and vitamin K, and citrus fruits deliver vitamin C alongside many other beneficial plant compounds. Nature rarely packages nutrients one at a time. Instead, it creates complete combinations that complement one another. Now think about garlic. Many people use it simply to add flavor, yet garlic contains natural sulfur compounds that scientists have studied for their potential role in supporting cardiovascular health and immune function. Ginger has long been used in traditional cooking around the world, and modern research suggests it may help support healthy digestion and the body's normal response to inflammation. Turmeric, when paired with black pepper, offers compounds that continue to be explored for their potential health-supporting properties. But perhaps the most fascinating lesson is that healthy eating isn't about finding one perfect superfood. No single fruit, vegetable, spice, or drink can solve every health problem. Instead, health is built meal by meal, choice by choice, over time. It's the variety of foods you eat that creates a foundation for long-term well-being. Picture a garden filled with only one type of flower. It may look beautiful, but it lacks diversity. Now imagine a garden bursting with different colors, shapes, and species. It becomes stronger, more resilient, and more vibrant. Your diet works in much the same way. A colorful plate often means a wider range of nutrients supporting different systems throughout your body. Let's talk about your gut, an area scientists continue to explore with growing excitement. Trillions of microorganisms live in your digestive system, forming a complex community often called the gut microbiome. These tiny organisms help digest food, produce certain nutrients, and interact with your immune system. Foods rich in fiber, including beans, vegetables, fruits, and whole grains, help nourish many beneficial microbes. Fermented foods like yogurt or kefir may also contribute to a healthy balance for some people. When you feed your gut well, you're supporting an ecosystem that influences many aspects of health. Here's another important point that often gets overlooked. Healing doesn't always mean curing disease overnight. Sometimes healing means giving your body the resources it needs to recover after a stressful week. Sometimes it means improving sleep because your nutrition supports healthy body functions. Sometimes it means having more energy to play with your children or walk without feeling exhausted. These small improvements accumulate over time, creating meaningful changes in quality of life. Think about someone who decides to make just one healthy change. Instead of drinking sugary soda every afternoon, they choose water and a handful of nuts with fresh fruit. At first, it seems insignificant. A week passes, then a month. Over time, those repeated choices reduce added sugar intake while increasing fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. One habit begins to influence another. Health rarely changes through one dramatic decision. It grows through consistent daily actions. One reason people struggle with healthy eating is that they believe it must be complicated or expensive. In reality, some of the most nutritious foods are surprisingly affordable. Beans, lentils, oats, seasonal vegetables, frozen berries, cabbage, sweet potatoes, eggs, and whole grains provide impressive nutrition without requiring luxury budgets. Good nutrition isn't about perfection. It's about making better choices more often than not. Another common myth is that healthy foods have to taste boring. The opposite is often true. Fresh herbs, garlic, onions, lemon, spices, and colorful vegetables create flavors that processed foods simply cannot replicate. Cooking becomes an opportunity to nourish yourself while enjoying meals that satisfy both your taste buds and your body. It's also important to remember that food works best as part of a healthy lifestyle. Quality sleep, regular movement, stress management, hydration, and meaningful relationships all contribute to overall well-being. Healthy eating is a powerful partner to these habits, not a replacement for them. If you're wondering where to begin, start with small, realistic steps. Add one extra serving of vegetables to dinner. Replace refined grains with whole grains a few times each week. Include fruit as a regular snack. Experiment with herbs and spices instead of relying heavily on salt or sugar. Drink more water. Fill half your plate with colorful produce whenever possible. These changes may seem modest, but over months and years they can reshape your health. Remember, your body is incredibly intelligent. Every heartbeat, every breath, every repaired cell reflects systems working tirelessly on your behalf. The foods you choose become the raw materials those systems use each day. Every apple, every handful of spinach, every bowl of beans, every piece of salmon, every spoonful of yogurt is more than just food. It is information, fuel, and building material delivered directly to your cells. The next time you walk through a grocery store, don't see shelves filled only with products. See possibilities. See opportunities to strengthen your future. Every colorful fruit represents protection. Every vegetable offers nourishment. Every wholesome meal becomes an investment in tomorrow's health. You don't have to transform your life overnight. You don't have to eat perfectly. You simply need to begin. One healthier breakfast, one colorful lunch, one balanced dinner. Those choices become habits. Habits become lifestyles. And lifestyles shape the future you experience. The secret healing power hidden in everyday foods isn't really a secret at all. It's a reminder that extraordinary health often begins with ordinary choices. Every meal is a chance to care for your body. Every bite is an opportunity to support the remarkable systems that work tirelessly to keep you alive. So the question isn't whether food has power. It does. The real question is this: what story will your next meal tell? Will it simply fill your stomach, or will it help build a healthier, stronger, more vibrant version of you? If today's message inspired you, remember this: your journey to better health doesn't begin next Monday, next month, or next year. It begins with your very next meal. Choose wisely, eat mindfully, celebrate progress instead of perfection, and let every healthy choice become a gift to your future self. Because sometimes the greatest medicine isn't hidden in a bottle. It has been waiting on your plate all along.